I forgot, this one gets up there, doesn't it? And Johnny's blinded.
5% next year. 50%. 50%. Time remaining. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. Reverse roll.
No, I'm serious. Keep it shallow. Oops, still got blinded.
Yeah. ESC 20.9 volts. ESC 21.4 volts. ESC 21.5 volts. ESC 20.8 volts. ESC 20.8 volts.
Yeah, the wind keeps throwing it up. All right, I don't know, but
ESC 21.4 volts. 25%. 50%. 10. 50%. 0.
third wire. I'm going to put all the small planes back on the 10. What the hell just happened there?
Did you do that turn?
No, it did itself. Yes, I was.
You better come.
Uh-oh. What just...
Come down.
I'm trying to see if... It went down.
Flame out.
Gear up.
Look at that.
Oh, you put night lights on that one too, huh?
Landing flaps.
There was an F-35 too.
20, 30 seconds. 5, 4, 50%, 3, 0. Reverse roll. Braking.
Take it off.